Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make beef pepper masala. Tender beef slices cooked in a hot peppery onion, coconut and tomato sauce with mixed peppers. As always, a full list of ingredients is in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks. I'm using some sliced bavette or flank steak for this recipe, but you can easily swap for sliced chicken breast or seafood. I'm going to marinate it in the salt and ground black pepper, rubbing in well. Once fully coated, place aside and begin heating up your pan. On a medium heat, add in the vegetable oil, coconut oil and onions. Cook, stirring frequently until the onions have softened and begun to caramelise. This should take around 5 to 10 minutes. Tip over the mustard seeds, garlic and ginger paste. Stir through well and fry for around 30 seconds until the strong smell reduces, adding a little base if the mix looks too dry at any time. Add in the red and green peppers, sliced green chilies and tomato paste and stir through well. Add a little base if needed and allow to fry out for 30 to 60 seconds to reduce the bitterness of the tomato puree. Sprinkle over the coconut milk powder, desiccated coconut, sugar, chili powder, fennel seeds, paprika and turmeric, stirring in well. As before, if you need to add a little base to keep things moving, that's completely fine. Allow to fry for a few minutes until the oil starts to separate. Add in half the base and stir through well. Allow to reduce by half, then add the remainder, combining well. Once it's again reduced by half, add in the chopped coriander and fresh sliced beef and stir in gently to coat well in the sauce. Allow to reduce further until the sauce reaches your desired consistency. I like my beef medium rare, so I'm only cooking it for a couple of minutes at this stage, but of course if you're using anything else, check your choice of protein is cooked through. Please remember to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.